Hi guys, so if your MacBook is showing that annoying storage almost full warning or it's running slow, freezing or apps are not updating properly, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple things you can do right now to free up a lot of storage on your MacBook. No complicated stuff, just easy steps. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Empty the trash. Alright, first one is super basic, but honestly a lot of people forget it. Even if you delete files, they still stay in trash and keep using storage. Here's what you do. Right click on the empty trash icon and select empty bin. Now confirm your action. That's it. Simple, but sometimes it frees up a surprising amount of space. Solution 2. Delete large files. Now this is one of the best ways to quickly free up a lot of storage on your MacBook. Here's what you need to do. Click on the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Open General, then go to Storage. Now wait a few seconds while your Mac scans the storage. After that, click on eye icon next to the documents. As soon as you open documents, your Mac will start showing large files like videos, DMG files, screen recordings, downloaded files, zip files, large documents. Now carefully go through the files one by one. If you find anything unnecessary or something you no longer need, simply delete it. For example, old screen recordings, duplicate videos, unused DMG installer files, old downloaded videos, zip files you already extracted. These type of files usually take a huge amount of storage without people even realizing it. So cleaning them up can free a lot of space very quickly. Solution 3. Remove unused apps. Be honest, we all install apps and then forget about them. Open the Finder and go to Application folder. Now find apps you don't use anymore. Drag them to trash. Then empty trash again. So guys, games, editing software and Adobe apps usually take a lot of space. If you haven't used an app in months, there's a good chance you probably don't need it anymore. Solution 4. Find huge hidden files. Sometimes the biggest files are not even visible in normal folder and they silently take a lot of storage on your Mac. So here's an easy way to find them manually. First, open Finder. Use the search bar at the top right. Now type MOV. Press enter. This will show video files. Now carefully check which files are unnecessary, like all screen recordings, duplicate videos, and videos you no longer need. Delete the unnecessary files. Next, search for zip. ZIP. Press enter. Now you'll see zip files. Usually these are downloaded compressed files that people forget to remove after extracting. Check which zip files are unnecessary and delete them. After that, search for DMG. Press enter. These are Mac installer files. Once an app is installed, most DMG files are no longer needed. So check which DMG files are unnecessary and delete them as well. By doing this step by step, you can easily find huge hidden files taking up storage on your Mac and remove the unnecessary ones safely. Solution 5. Delete old iPhone, iPad backups. If you've ever connected your iPhone to your Mac, backups might still be stored there secretly taking huge space. Here's how to find them. Open Finder. Now click on Go at the top menu bar and select Go to Folder. Now paste this address. Press enter. You'll see backup folders there. If they are old and you don't need them anymore, you can safely delete them. Sometimes this alone frees up 20-50 GB or even more. So yeah guys, these were the easiest ways to fix MacBook storage issue. If you follow these steps properly, you'll notice a big difference in both storage and performance. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.